Hey everyone, missing out on international travel? Don't worry, India has some incredible spots that offer a slice of foreign charm right here at home. Let's dive into this exciting list of Indian destinations that can give you that global vibe without the passport hassle. Kumbhalgarh Fort, Rajasthan, your very own Great Wall of China. Ever dreamt of walking on the Great Wall of China? Well, Rajasthan's Kumbhalgarh Fort has you covered. This magnificent fort has a wall stretching over 36 kilometers, making it the second longest continuous wall in the world. Nestled in the Aravalli Range, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a marvel of Rajputana architecture and a symbol of India's rich history. So, if you can't make it to China, Kumbhalgarh offers an equally impressive experience closer to home. Qutub Minar, Delhi, a taste of Italy's Leaning Tower of Pisa. Craving a trip to Italy to see the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Head to Delhi's Qutub Minar instead. This iconic minaret, standing tall at 73 meters, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the tallest brick minarets in the world. Though it doesn't lean, its majestic height and historical significance offer a towering experience that's just as awe-inspiring. India Gate, Delhi, the Arc de Triomphe of India. Paris might be the famous for the Arc de Triomphe, but India Gate in Delhi holds its own grandeur and history. This 42-meter high war memorial was built to honor the Indian soldiers who fought in World War I. Located at the heart of Delhi, it's a popular spot for locals and tourists alike, offering a majestic sight, especially when illuminated at night. The names of over 13,000 soldiers are inscribed on India Gate's surface. Rajabai Clock Tower, Mumbai, London's Big Ben, but with an Indian twist. If London's Big Ben is on your bucket list, check out Mumbai's Rajabai Clock Tower. Standing at 85 meters, this Gothic style tower is part of the University of Mumbai and was completed in 1878. Its architectural elegance and the melodic chimes of the clock offer a slice of London's charm right in the heart of Mumbai. The tower's design was inspired by Big Ben and was funded by a wealthy stockbroker, Premchandra Roychand, in memory of his mother Rajabai. Chitrakoot Falls, Chhattisgarh, India's own Niagara Falls. Who says you need to visit Canada to witness the majesty of Niagara Falls? Chhattisgarh's Chitrakoot Falls, often referred to as the Niagara of India, is a breathtaking 30-meter high waterfall on the Indravati River. During the monsoon season, the falls widen to nearly 300 meters, creating a spectacular sight that rivals its North American counterpart. Chitrakoot Falls is the widest waterfall in India, making it a must visit for nature lovers. Gandhikota, Andhra Pradesh, the Grand Canyon of India. Dreaming of a trip to Arizona's Grand Canyon? Andhra Pradesh Gandhikota has a stunning alternative. Known as the Grand Canyon of India, this gorge on the Penna River is surrounded by rugged red rock formations that create a dramatic and picturesque landscape. The views from the fort overlooking the canyon are simply mesmerizing. Gandhikota was a fortified city and has ruins of an ancient temple and mosque within its walls. Thar Desert, Rajasthan, a slice of the Sahara in India. For those yearning to explore the vastness of the Sahara Desert, Rajasthan's Thar Desert is a perfect match. Stretching across India and Pakistan, the Thar Desert is the world's 17th largest desert and offers an array of activities like camel safaris, dune bashing, and stargazing. The golden sand dunes and vibrant local culture make it a memorable experience. The Thar Desert is the most densely populated desert in the world. So, who needs a passport when India has so much global charm? These destinations not only offer a foreign feel but also showcase the rich diversity and beauty of our own country. Pack your bags, set your GPS, and get ready to explore the world within India. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting travel tips and destinations. Till then, safe travels.